courier package. And I have a feeling... Oh, this is a very expensive book that I ordered. It was one of my favourite places. One of the highlights of my trip. It's a little Art Nouveau restaurant. It's not little, it's a historical memorial place. Actually, it's owned by Pierre Cardin. You may have heard of Pierre Cardin. And it is Musée Maxim's. I did go to Maxim's museum today, and that was incredible. It was probably the highlight of my trip. I don't think it can really get much better than that. So far this is the most expensive book that I've ever bought. Woo. Here it is. Maxim's. Look at this book, it's beautiful. Maxim's Art Nouveau Collection 1900, also known as Musée Art Nouveau. Maxim's is a private collection of Art Nouveau objects and decor, located at the 8th district above Maxim's Paris restaurant at 3 Rue Royale, Paris, France. Pierre Cardin has been the owner of Maxim's restaurant since 1981. A symbol for Art Nouveau. He has collected for over 60 years objects from the Belle Epoque. There are more than 550 pieces from all over the world, signed by Louis Majorel, Louis Camfort Tiffany, Emile Gall, Henri de Toulouse-Lautrec and Clément Massieu, displayed in a 12-room apartment building now classified as a historic monument. I think this is going to be a pretty cool book to flip through. So there's a bonus here at the back from page, here we go, page 157 of Maxim's is the recipes of Maxim's restaurant. So we've got quail eggs to start off with, brill, eggplant, sea medallions, medallions of sea bass, should I say, with champagne, sea scallops. Now I don't eat seafood, I'm a vegetarian. But here we go, we've got a salad composi. Is that vegetarian? Gosh, pretty much. Oh well, some things I'll have to skip out. Medallions, again, not good for me, being vegetarian. But we've got dessert section. Dessert section. So I've got to try some of these Merry Widow crepes, chocolate Yule log, opera cake, fig turban a la royale with raspberries. Yum. Mont Blanc. Caramelized pears on puff pastry with champagne sauvignon. Apple mousse. Chocolate cake, Belle Epoque pears, lemon tart. Fruit charlotte, hot grand mariner souffle. Very cool. It's not the longest book. There's a lot of history, a lot of photos of the stars. Photos of the interior. I have way more photos myself. Cool. One day I might go there to eat, but I'll be eating mostly the desserts. Wine list. Alright. Beautiful coffee table. Very nice. Very nice book. Beautiful cover. Lovely velvety material. Yeah, straight out of the box. Gorgeous.